Let me guess, you're a software engineer who wants to become a solutions architect, but the path seems unclear? Today, I'll share with you a clear growth map that will help you understand where you are and what next. Hola amigos, today I'm breaking down this journey with a clear growth map that will finally make things obvious. Let's begin. First, we have the operational level, where most of us start as software engineer focused on implementation and product delivery. The first natural progression is software architect, and here's something interesting. You might be already performing this role as a tech lead or team lead. At this level, you as a software architect will ensure architectural excellence. That means that you are responsible for architecture decisions within your team or few teams, working with architectural patterns and approaches. It could be integration patterns, domain-driven design, resilience patterns, etc. Making technology choices aligned with corporate standards and policies. Depending on the company scales, it could be fewer or more policies and standards. The last one, of course, writing high quality documentation and proposals for the projects. Once you master software architecture, your next stage is solutions architect, where your focus expands to the first one, broader business context and strong business focus. Let me say this again, super strong business focus. So you should be an expert in your business domain. The next one is making high-level decisions on the department or line of business levels. Any career shift requires mindset shift as well. Let's break down the key points. The first mindset shift is shift from team to enterprise scale. Depending on the enterprise scale, it could be more or less challenging for you, but it's pretty important step just to broaden your scope and broaden your vision. So at the next one, shift from technical to technical and business focus. It includes business models, business KPIs, value streams, industry knowledge, so all kind of business knowledge. What are practical steps you can do right now? Let's list them. The first one, build your technical muscles. Master architectural patterns and at least one technical stack and one public cloud. It could be Azure, Amazon, GCP, whatever. The next one, build strong influence and authority by sharing knowledge and taking more responsibility. You could conduct a workshop, trainings, and write some article about best practices for the some cases and technologies. By this, you can build your influence and authority. So, the next one, develop your business knowledge. Study your industry domain, best practices, trends. You should be an expert in your business domain and you can develop it. The last one, and I would say probably quite important, understand what decisions drive business value. Let me give you an example. You are thinking about streaming analytics, but first you should understand what the value of streaming analytics for the end user. Remember, becoming a solutions architect is not the final destination, it's a lifelong journey. This role requires constant curiosity about new technologies and approaches. The path to solutions architect is about expanding your impact from team to company, from technical to business value. It's about growth in multiple dimensions. Subscribe to my channel for modern architectural patterns and practices, because in architecture, learning never stops. Thanks for watching this video, see you next time.